Bingo! I got you to click. Well, hey, I'm Ann Marie Walts. And so let's talk real quickly about thumbnails and then hold on for like 30 seconds because I have a surprise for you. So let's jump over here. Wouldn't you agree that it's all about the thumbnail? And if you are struggling, do you find you're struggling to make thumbnails that you're happy with and actually make people click? Because you know what? They can say all they want. Don't judge a book by its cover. Eh, I think that's probably the worst advice because you know what? We all do. In fact, this is how you even wound up clicking on me, right? Was my thumbnail must have got your attention. All right, so what I have planned right now is I am giving away a free course. And it's just a small little course, but it's free and it's going to be about making thumbnails. So, and then in turn, what I want is for you to be able to make thumbnails that don't suck. So ask me, how can you get access to this free course? It's really simple. Are you ready? Just head over here to thinkyourwaytoamillion.com/free course and just simply drop in your first name and your email address. I promise not to spam you, but I do promise to inspire you. And then on the inside, you're going to get some of the latest tips, tricks, and your thumbnails won't suck by the time we're done. All right. So here's a little glance of like what to expect so you can see that the course is truly real. Again, there's no charge to sign up. So you might be wondering, well, why are you giving this away to me for free, Anne Marie? Great question. So, for one, I want to grow a community. That's what I am on a mission to do. I do have a smaller community right now. I'm just being transparent, but I have a lot of experience, let me tell you. In fact, how much experience do I have? Well, this particular YouTube page, I did only start it or actually jump started it most recently, but it is like growing very, very fast. But let's not talk about that for the moment. I'm going to bring you to my other page where I show you that I started YouTube in like 2009. Are you ready? So let me bring up my other YouTube page and I'm going to go this way because it's just faster for me to find it. So I have been in hairstylist for 30 something years, but I fell in love with tech about 20 something years ago. So let me just switch my account so that I can bring you on the back side of that particular YouTube page. So just bear with me a second right here. And let me tell
Imagine
you,
having an
it's
exclusive.
it's not always so much uh, how many subscribers you have, because as far as like, will you still get traffic if you don't have a huge following? I think it's nice to work towards both, but I've got proof right now to show you that look, I only have 149 subscribers on this page. Now, shame on me that I let it go. I neglected it. And then, but you're like, then how are you going to teach me anything? I got a lot to teach you, okay? Because the thing about this particular page, when we go to the back, is I'm going to show you for social proof, as they call it. We're going to go here. We'll go to the studio. We're going to go to analytics. Then we're going to go to advanced mode. But before I click, all right, you can see that in the last 28 days, the channel has still sent me 172 views. Now, I haven't uploaded anything since September, all right? But I'll do another video about all that type of stuff because this free course is actually going to be about your thumbnail. And after all, you clicked, right? And I want you and I to click so that way you come back more often. And I'm going to be making more content because I'm just not going to stop. All right, so once you're under your analytics, you're going to go to advanced mode. And then I'm going to take this all the way back. Permission to take you backwards and time hop, right? Well, actually, time hop. It'd be actually going back in a time machine. All right, so we're going to go to lifetime. Hey, And look at that, all the way back there in the day. Now, back then, there was obviously a lot less competition. And this is even another reason why your thumbnails need to be spot on. They need to create interest, intrigue, and they need to make somebody do what? Say, do what, Ann Marie? They got to make them click, right? Got to make it click. So you can see I've been around a long time. So why not take advantage of somebody that knows what they're doing? All right. So then you're going to head back over here. You're going to go to thinkyourwaytoamillion.com/free course. And I invite you to be part of my community because you know what? Without you, there isn't a community. You're the most important part of my community. So just come on over here. I promise not to spam you. I don't have time for that. You don't have time for that. And if this is the first time to my channel, thank you very much. And if you are returning, well, welcome. And let's do this together. Because again, we're gonna go back here, and I'm gonna show you some really cool tricks and tips, and some might even include a little bit of AI. You just don't know what's in store until you sign up. All right, so thank you so much. And as I always sign off with every episode, let me go to the front end of my newest channel. All right, I'm going to bring it back over here to my hair and then make sure I'm in the right account, right? Okay, and view the channel. Okay. And as I like to sign off with every episode where it says right here, unapologetically myself, that's what I want for you. For you to be unapologetically yourself and just to have an amazing time on YouTube. And let's make some thumbnails together that don't suck. All right. See you on the inside.